Yeah, the students that are doing awesome things, but maybe they just go unnoticed. People don't realize.
Yeah, published author.
I know, she's
13.
doing all the things. Your kids are doing all the things. You have another one on the way. It's all good. I can't wait for you to submit them.
Yeah, I love these Student of the Week features. It makes me feel really bad about anything I ever tried to.
Oh, please. Please.
Well, I mean, they're so successful and so ahead of their time. And students like Aisha and all the students out there are working really hard on next gen things. That's just awesome stuff. But yeah, we've got a lot going on in the parenting world, all of us here, it seems like, at Channel 3. And that's going to continue. And we need nice weather to get the kids outside, right? To get the energy out. And today's another one of those great days. We're in the 60s to near 70 degrees. It was a comfortable afternoon. We're coolest out towards the north and the east where we had the clouds linger longest. We started today with some of those lake effect clouds around, but those have since scoured out. Dew points, this measures how muggy that air feels. We're right near 50 degrees for most of us, so you can barely feel the air. There's no humidity whatsoever, but you get down towards the south and the west, we've got drier air in place. And as we look at the big picture, we've got dry air in place, not just here, but as you get back towards Indiana, and then you get the humidity back towards the west. Well, why is that important? Well, there's rain trying to work in from the west, and that rain is continuing to head into drier air. So you notice how it looked pretty robust on radar back towards Chicago this morning, but a lot of that is fading as it moves in. So we are not planning on having any rainfall around here later this evening. This should shrivel up and just become some cloud cover that works through as we go throughout the evening. It will thicken up, though, so not the best of sunsets tonight because we'll see those thick and high clouds, the high cirrus clouds off of that system work in. But you can see how we've had the change of clouds as we've gone throughout the day. Bigger picture pattern across the country. This is holding back some warmth. There's a warm frontal boundary stretching from Chicago up towards the north woods of Wisconsin. And on the back side of that, we've got some warm air. That warm air is not quite here yet. That's why we're near 70 now, but we are going to start to elevate those temperatures over the next couple of days to the warmer side of fall-like air like we can have around here. Continue to cool tonight, though. We're back down to the 50s. Again, just a little period of clouds as we go throughout the 8, probably through the midnight hours. Those clouds continue to stream in. National Zymarn hour-by-hour forecast shows that. Waking up tomorrow morning, nice and comfortable. We'll be in the 50s for most, couple 40s in outlying locations, especially if you can get the clearing of the skies. Will help to radiate some of that heat. Tomorrow, we're looking very similar to today. We'll have sunshine mixed with clouds from time to time. There's a stray shower chance. Our model doesn't show it. A couple of the high-res models show it in our western counties. Can't rule it out, but I really think 99% of us are dry tomorrow with lots of sunshine and just high clouds from time to time, and a very similar forecast on Thursday as this pattern remains in place. Not a whole lot going on here locally. I mentioned the warm up. We're up near 80 degrees by Friday. We'll hold there this weekend. We get a little bit cooler this weekend with some lingering cloud chances, especially as we get on to Sunday. What do those clouds come from? This, tropics. Tropics not very active right now. We've got Nigel, which is a hurricane, not going to impact anything but the fish. But it's this area here as you get down towards just south of North Carolina and South Carolina, right off the coast there, over towards Savannah, over towards Tybee Island. And so they're going to have a lot of rain as we get into the weekend. So watch as we go through time. We remain dry. Watch this moisture. This tropical moisture just sits for days, and then it comes north. Some of the modeling brings it a little closer to us. Some keeps it away. But we're just going to kind of toe the line between the two systems. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. We're in sunshine through Friday. Saturday, we start to dance around with some clouds. And then for the Browns game, looks dry right now. But there's your rain chances arriving Monday into Tuesday. Cooler temperatures as a result. We're back with more after this.